back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Tasha J. On this channel, I do all things from lifestyle vlogs, home decor, cleaning, and so much more. And if those are your vibes, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. We would absolutely love to have you here. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. In today's video, we are going to be decorating, finally, the front porch and the kitchen. I'm also going to be wrapping some presents today and putting up the tree in the loft area and decorating that. But before we get started, I wanted to share with you these two beautiful wreaths that I picked up from Walmart. They are going to pair really well with the two plants that I'm also going to share with you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This is what the plants look like. I absolutely love the way that this looks at night, guys. It is so gorgeous. So the stems actually light up. This did retail at HomeGoods for $99. I did purchase two of these, guys. Let's just take a close-up look of how this actually looks. Absolutely gorgeous. Here you do have to insert 3 AA batteries here. You can set this to come on, and I just turn it off in the morning and then you set it back like so. I am going to be using this to style on the front porch for Christmas. All right, so now that we saw the plants that we're going to be styling on the front porch, now let's take a look at the wreaths that I picked up from Walmart last night. All right, so this is the wreath that I purchased from Walmart. It's going to pair very nicely with the plants that I just showed you. I love the ribbon on here. Now the ribbon is velvet. And the wreaths are by Holiday Time. It did retail for $29.87. Absolutely gorgeous. I almost forgot to show you the swags. Now I did purchase these swags maybe 2 years ago, maybe give or take. I purchased these from Kirkland's. I think this will go really well with the vibe. I'm gonna hang both of these swags next to the garage on the light fixtures. Now I do need to, of course, straighten out the ribbons, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looks like up close. I love the bells on it here. If I can locate them on the Kirkland's website, I will post it in the description box below for you. So I did purchase 4 of these warm lights. They're called dome lights to put on the wreath, and each box retailed for $3.98. And I also picked up some batteries because the lights do take 3 AA batteries that you have to put in here. So I am going to be wrapping that around the wreath. I am going to do that actually first, so I don't have to actually stop when I start decorating. I also ended up purchasing 3 of the Holiday Time 100 clear mini lights from Walmart as well to add on the tree that we're going to be decorating in the loft area. Reason being, there is a small section that will not light up, so we want to make sure that the entire tree lights up. So we're going to be doing this. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the lights on the wreath.
Sitting by the fire, feeling oh so fine on this holy night. The Spirit guides us. All the stars they shine on this lovely night. We light up the world, forget our troubles for a moment. And every stranger is a friend, so let them join in. 'Cause when joy fills the air, you already know it's Christmas. Love beyond compare. It's Christmas time. 'Cause when joy fills the air, you already know it's Christmas. Love beyond compare. It's Christmas time. Oh, what a blissful sight. We're singing heartfelt carols in the night. Warm embrace of spirits bright. We're family and friends unite.
Alright, so this is what the front porch currently looks like as far as the rugs go. I think I want to leave that there. I think it's going to look really, really nice with the 2 plants that I'm going to put on each side. I am going to go ahead and just re-sweep the front porch just because the wind has been blowing leaves and everything.
Already know it's Christmas. Love beyond compare.
All right, guys, so it is much later than I anticipated. We did decorate the front porch. However, we ended up putting up lights just because the people did come out and fix what was needed on the house. So I'm very, very grateful for that. So me and my husband, we decided to put the lights up. So we did end up putting lights up. I am still going to show you guys the front porch. We're just not all the way 100% done. I did not get a chance to decorate the kitchen, but we are going to do that tomorrow, and also decorate the tree in the loft area. I also need to decorate the trees in my kids' room, but I'm not going to show that, but I am going to do the loft area. I still have my office to do, so I don't know if I'm going to do my office in this video here. Probably the next video will be the office and me decorating the restroom. So with that being said, your girl is extremely tired. I've been on my feet all day long, okay? And so I'm about to get ready to go take me a long, hot bubble bath, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys. So it is a couple of days later. It is actually Thursday. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. And so we're just going to jump right back into decorating for Christmas, my kitchen, putting up the tree in the loft area. We're going to get to that today. We've already decorated the front porch. I am going to show you guys that at the end of the video. But before we actually decorate the kitchen, I want to show you guys what I picked up. A lot of this stuff is new, and some of this you may have seen in prior hauls. If you've seen it before, we're going to act like we didn't see it. But I kind of want to show you what I'm going to be putting out in the space today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right back into today's video. All right, guys, so the first item that I want to share with you is this countdown calendar to Christmas. I did pick this up from Target last year, so I am going to reuse it this year in my space. Just because it's a different year doesn't mean we have to always buy everything new. So I absolutely love this. It does light up on the side here. Okay. How fast has this year gone by? Like, I can't even believe it. We're in December already. We literally have 12 days to Christmas. Wow, that puts a lot into perspective. We gotta get moving. We have to get moving. Next items that I want to share with you, I did purchase from HomeGoods. This is a more recent purchase. So I did pick up 3 Christmas trees from HomeGoods. So this tree here is by Martha Stewart. Okay, and it did retail for $12.99. I also picked up a tree kind of similar to this one. This was the tree that I originally picked up, but they did not have a tag on it. So they went to go get one that was similar in style, which was this tree, and so they gave it to me for $12.99 as well. So I am going to be pairing these 2 trees together. The next tree that I'm going to be styling with those 2 cream ones is this beautiful golden tree. It's actually a candle. I did get this for $7.99 from HomeGoods. So I am going to be pairing this tree here as well with the 2 cream trees. While we're on trees, I also picked up this beautiful cutting board from HomeGoods, guys. How gorgeous is this? So I am going to be styling this in the kitchen as well. This did retail for $12.99. This is by the Midwinter Modern Holiday Collection. Also going to be styling this tree here with this Snowman cutting board. You guys know how near and dear snowmans are to my heart. I just absolutely love them. It did retail for $16.99. I just absolutely love this snowman, guys. Gorgeous. The hat, the gold detailing, even down to the gold feet on the back of it, gorgeous. The next item that I want to share with you is also yet another snowman. I did purchase this also from HomeGoods a couple of months ago, but while I was in the store purchasing the trees and the other items that I got from HomeGoods. They did still have these in stock, so definitely if you can get your hands on one of these. It's so classy. Now this did retail for $19.99, and this is by the Winter Dreams collection. And again, I did get this from HomeGoods. So I did purchase these beautiful stems from Hobby Lobbies. They do retail for $5.99, but I did get this for 50% off. All right, so this next item came from Amazon. Now these are candles. I wanted something a little bit more elegant in the kitchen this year, and I did not want to have a lot of burning candles going on. So I did end up purchasing these gorgeous battery operated candle. You do need 2 AA batteries to operate these. I do have 3 in different sizes. This is like the next larger one, so I do plan on styling these in the kitchen. I also picked up this garland to style on the kids' tree in the loft area. This is by Slay Heels. It did also retail $12.99. I thought this would add a nice touch to the tree that we're going to be styling on the loft area today. So again, I did purchase this from HomeGoods, and it was $12.99. And so the last thing that we purchased was this beautiful dog. His name is Tyson. He is a standard poodle. He is projected to be around 40 to 45 pounds. Absolutely love the new addition to the family. And so the older dog is definitely teaching him. He is doing really good adjusting. We did purchase Tyson here for the kids, so he is doing very well adjusting to the home. So this was the last thing that I wanted to show with you. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.